Hello and welcome to Otten Math. In this edition of Otten Math, we're going to work on some problems involving graphing equations of lines. Okay, just 4 problems to work through. And the first 3 I'm asking for something a little bit beyond what you might expect because I want to have you answer 2 parts of the question. This says for problems 1 to 3, find the sum of the slope and the y-intercept of the given line. So in this case, it's worked out to be y is equal to mx plus b. So I know the slope is going to be this value, and the y-intercept is going to be this value. So the slope is -2, the y-intercept is 4, in this case, or 0, 4. But we'll count it as 4 for this particular problem. The sum of these 2 numbers is going to be 2. Okay. Problem number 2, I have the slope of 2 plus the y-intercept of 1. My total is going to be equal to 3. So I just want you to feel comfortable with the basic idea that in the y is equal to mx plus b form, slope is the m value and the y-intercept is the b value. Okay, next problem, I have y is equal to 2/3 x plus 1. My slope is 2/3 and my y-intercept is 1. I have to add both those together. 1 is the same as 3 over 3. So I get 5/3 as my answer. Now what happens if I have something like this? 3x in standard form plus, let's say, 6y is equal to 9. Now what I want to do is I want to rewrite this in slope-intercept form. So I subtract 3x from both sides. And I get 6y is equal to -3x plus 9. And then I divide by 6 to isolate the y, and I get y is equal to -1/2 x plus 3 halves, or 9 over 6. So now if I want to answer the question, I have -1/2 plus 3 halves is going to give me an answer of 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, last question says, or asks, if Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 C plus 32, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit when Celsius is 0 degrees? So all I have to do is plug in 0 for C. I get F is equal to 9/5 times 0 plus 32, or Fahrenheit is equal to 32. Now let's flip the question around. How do we figure out the value when F is equal to 0? All right, well, I just solve for C. 0 now, Fahrenheit is 0, is equal to 9/5 C plus 32. So I subtract 32 from both sides, and I get 9/5 C is equal to -32. Then I multiply both sides by 5/9, and I get C is equal to -32 times 5 over 9, or -160 over 9. It's that simple.